Hey guys, it's me again. Today what I have for your viewing pleasure is this black Casablanca Panama 5 ceiling fan. This fan dates to 2004. It's one of the more newer Panamas. And we're making dinner right now, so it's going to be a little bit noisy. So, It's got oak blades, as you can see, and it is, in fact, as you guessed, W32. This setup is probably going to be permanent, but, your control there. That's my dad messing with me. Casablanca. So, and yes, this is in the living room, in the spot of the craft maid. Where is the craft maid, you may ask? Yep, in the closet in all its glory. There's the blades in there. There's still a fan in here that has been up for a few weeks now that you haven't seen, and there's baby ducks outside and stuff, so I'll go ahead and then show off the fan now. It's a pretty good fan. I'm gonna make this thing my new profile picture, just so you guys know. There's the that was good. Let's see if we could find. There you go. It's got a XLP motor, aka K55 stack motor. I don't know if it's focusing. It probably is. There you go. Like all Casablancas, rubber flywheel. It's intact. Still. The only downside to this thing is a rare case of a dead plaza. The beaver thing. It's not completely dead. It does still work. Although you have to put your ear like right up to the control board to hear that thing beeping. And it's ever so slightly. You can hear it beeping around in there. So that's, what you gonna do? Tried opening up and trying to see what the problem was, but I didn't see anything. So it's just a fan. It's just a Casablanca with a not that great of a working plaza. So we'll go ahead and start with demo mode. Before I do, I was playing around with it, and I attached, let's see if I can find it, I attached this little candelabra light socket to it, and the light does work. See the two wires that were in there. So yeah. After this video, I will be doing a video on how to use the Inteli-Touch control and how to do the special programs all in one video. And so let's go ahead and proceed with the demonstration of the fan. And like always, we will start with demo mode. So here we go. It is now in demo mode. This thing is a pretty good air mover. goes. Kicks itself up to speed 3. And all the way up to speed 6. And now it reverses and all that other crap. Most of you already know, so. Alright. So here you guys go. Alright. So now we will go through general speed settings. So here we go. Speed 1. The fan running in the background, just if you guys were wondering. Our kitchen fan. Now for speed 2. This is your general Casablanca low for any 3-speed fan. That is Casablanca brand, so go ahead and kick it up to speed 3, I believe, now. Yeah, speed 3. Speed 3 is about the speed of my hugger behind you guys in the so-called office area. Might replace that fan actually. Speed 4, which is your general Casablanca medium for any 3-speed Casablanca fan. That is 50 inches or more. By the way, this fan has a 50-inch span, I believe so. Speed 5. Which on my grandmother's Hunter Channing ceiling fan, this speed is high speed for that fan. USB 6. Which this thing moves a crap ton of air. Like all Casablancas do. This one moves a lot of air for a modern one. Go ahead and show her off here. My cat is looking at me like it always does. Well, probably wondering why this isn't in the on the testing rig. That's cause, well, first off, my dad wanted to install it right away. So that's what I did. And two, I didn't have enough time to throw it up on the testing rig when we first got it. So downrod, I keep forgetting to say this because this is like my 15th take on the video. Downrod in this fan is not original. This is the downrod right here that came in the box, and I dropped it. This is the downrod right here that came in the box. I get for trying to show it off. Which it's only a 1/2 inch. And so the fitter on the fan is a 3/4 inch, which is the downrod that you see on it now. Probably, that's the downrod. The downrod I just showed you is probably the one from the new one. And they probably got a long downrod for the new one, because I believe this fan had a really long downrod, and it was just never used much. Flywheel's just a tad bit warped on this fan, but no wobble at all. The downrod that you see on it is one that that my dad got from the Home Depot, and we just cut it short. So yeah. So we'll go ahead and shut it off now. And to reduce the close down time, we will reverse it, and then right before it reverses in the other direction, we will shut it off, and that will reduce our spin down time. Click. Now we'll reverse it back and shut it off. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. By the way, this is my first Casablanca brand ceiling fan, and first IT, aka Inteli-Touch fan. So as always, I hope you guys enjoy this. This fan, by the way, will probably be a permanent fan until I find a Panama 5 that has a working plaza that would be suitable for this room. The only other Panama 5 that I want to put in here is a black and chrome one, because that would match, for one, our coffee table and our tables over there for our TV. So, yep, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And, as always, like, comment, and subscribe.